How to backup and restore OPPO A55S contacts, chat, data, photo and SMS. Tips to backup all important data in OPPO A55S including contacts, text messages, photos, videos, chat history, downloaded files, etc. This phone is powered by MediaTek MT6833 Dimensity 700 processor with a 6.5-inch LCD screen. It has an internal storage of 128 GB to save all the data. We need to back up all important data for safety reasons. When first introduced to the market, OPPO A55S uses Android 11 as the factory default operating system. There are some backups that will work automatically after you sign into your Google or OPPO account. However, we need to ensure that all backup procedures are working properly in secure cloud locations before some issues like phone loss or hardware damage occur. OPPO A55S has triple cameras with 13 MP wide plus 2 MP macro plus 2 MP depth of field. We will have many historical and important photos and videos captured with phone cameras. Therefore, we must back up all media files to a safe place. Follow the steps below to automatically back up all important data to cloud storage server for free using Google Photos. There are some apps that already store their data on the cloud, like Facebook, Instagram or Gmail and some others. We can skip to back up some apps like this. Please note that some menus may differ due to Android firmware upgrade to the latest version. Simple procedure to backup and restore in OPPO A55S. On most of the OPPO smartphones, we can find the OPPO backup and restore procedure with simple one-click steps. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Open menu settings, additional settings, backup and reset. In some versions go to settings about phone. Please choose to turn on the backup my data option. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please choose to turn on the automatic restore option. To create a new backup, please click on the backup and restore menu, then click on the create a new backup button. Choose select all data to be backed up and press start backup button, then choose backup to phone storage or backup to external storage. To restore backup data, in steps number 6, we will see a list of backup data that was created before, then choose the date we want to restore. Make sure all the data we want to restore is selected and then click Start Restore. Wait for all data recovery on OPPO A55S to finish. OPPO A55S Manual Backup and Restore Procedure. Sign in with Google account to backup contact or phone book on OPPO A55S. Almost all of us will have many contact or phone book data in our OPPO A55S which are very important for our activity. We have to back up all important data in a secure location. An important thing when using Android is that we can sync our contact data with the Google account. What we need to do is make sure that our phone is already logged in with our personal Google account. After logging in with a Google account, by default this phone will automatically sync or backup data to Google Cloud Server, so we will have storage space for 2 phone books, one on the OPPO A55S and the other on the contacts.google.com store. Please check this address to make sure all data is actually backed up to a Google server. Here are the steps to check that our OPPO A55S is already backed up to Google Cloud Server. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Open the menu settings users and account Google, and make sure your Gmail account is already set up. If we need to add a Google, Gmail account, click on add account. Please see our account and make sure sync is turned on. How to back up phone book or contact on OPPO A55S manually to SD card. Besides backing up our contact in Google Cloud, we can also back up or export our contact or phone book in our OPPO A55S by using Export List in Contact List. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Open Apps, Contacts. Choose all contacts to backup. Contacts menu, export contacts. Choose export to storage, SD card. The name of the exported file will be displayed to tell us where the exported file is located. Finish backup your OPPO A55S contact to memory card. How to backup photo, image in OPPO A55S. It is also important to back up the photo because with the good camera quality in OPPO A55S we will have many important photos for special moments. There are several options to back up our media like pictures and photos to several locations. The easiest step is to back up our media to an external microSD memory card. But for this step, we need to prepare our micro SD card first and insert it into the memory card slot of our OPPO A55S. Backup or copy to external memory card. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Open the home screen. Find File Manager, File Commander and launch it. Choose Internal Storage. We will see many folders. Press and hold on one folder to select. After selecting one folder, we will see the list below. Choose Select All in the menu below. Choose Copy, or Move, but better use Copy to reduce lost files. Select Menu SD card. Choose the new folder where we want to copy those files. Choose Paste. Please be sure to manually check in the microSD folder that all files have already been copied. Backup or copy to computer. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Connect your OPPO A55S to the computer with a USB data cable. Make sure that the computer can connect to the OPPO A55S memory card, otherwise, try swiping the notification area down from the OPPO A55S, and select Connect USB as media. If the computer is already able to read the data of your OPPO A55S phone, use your Computer File Explorer to open the some folders in your OPPO A55S, copy all folders or files to a specific location on our computer. If everything is finished, please try to open all the images from our computer to make sure all data is already backed up, exported or copied without problem. OPPO A55S Restore Google_Photos Backup. Backup OPPO A55S photos, videos to Google Photos Cloud Storage. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Make sure we have installed the Google Photos apps from the Google Play Store. Open the Google Photos apps on the OPPO A55S. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose your Google Backup account. In the Backup and Sync menu, please choose Upload Size with high quality, more files backed up with less file size. By default, your photos and videos will be backed up to Google Photos Unlimited Backup when your OPPO A55S is connected to Wi-Fi. OPPO A55S Restore Procedure. Restore backup contact from Google account on OPPO A55S. If we reformat or hard reset our OPPO A55S, all data will be removed or erased, so we need to restore all contacts back to our OPPO A55S. This is how to restore. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Go to Settings Users and Account Google. Add our Google or Gmail account. At the first time, we can force Contacts Sync to restore contacts from Google server to OPPO A55S. Make sure that sync is turned on to continue syncing our contact with the Google Cloud server. Restore backup contact from micro SD card to OPPO A55S. Turn on the OPPO A55S. Choose Contacts. Choose List from Contacts. Import contact. Choose Import from Storage, SD card. Choose where we can save our contact. Choose to import vCard file. Follow the tips and tricks to fix and reset your OPPO A55S. Restore backup photos and videos from Google Photos in OPPO A55S. Install Google Photos on our OPPO A55S. Choose Setting in Google Photos apps, Setting Backup and Sync, on. Sign in to your previous Google account for Google Photos apps. Wait for a few moments when your OPPO A55S is connected to Wi-Fi, then our photos and videos will be restored to our phone. How to backup and restore WhatsApp chat history and media files on OPPO A55S. WhatsApp is a popular chat app installed from the Google Play Store. We will have many confidential data and important chat history on WhatsApp, so we need to make sure that all data is backed up securely on our phones and also on cloud servers. Please follow these steps to backup and restore OPPO A55S WhatsApp history and media files on cloud server and local storage.